Hello YouTube, this is again Eric at RC Monster Garage. Today we got all those toys. We need to see what there is inside. We're gonna start with the Dukono, then we're gonna move out to the Dukono Pro. After it we're gonna do the Camo TT and the Camo X4. Brushless, 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 brushed. We're gonna compare those two to see what is the difference between of them. Maybe it's only the shocks, maybe the motors, maybe the ESC. We will learn everything about those vehicles we need to know. We will try to give you the best review that there is. Now, we succeeded to get from Redcat some free stuff. We're gonna give free hats, free shirts, Redcat flag, and some Redcat stickers. All you need to do is like and subscribe and you can win one of those items. Let's start with the Dukono and go from there, see what there is in the box.